Here, Holistic Healing TV back with another one. As you can see, the garden is pretty overgrown, but I intentionally have done this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start cutting out a lot of these wildflowers, the wild grass, and things like that, just up until the root, because we want to leave the roots in there so they can decay actually on their own. So we're gonna take those out. We're gonna layer them all up, and then I'll show you the end result. Stay tuned. We're here, Holistic Healing TV. It is Tuesday, October 17th, and it is a beautiful day in Florida. I just wanted to show you guys this part two, pretty much, of the first video that I made, showing you how I cleared out the garden of wildflowers and all of the weeds and everything like that, and adding it right back on top so that the ground can, decay the roots on their own, decay the plant matter, and feed the soil and create these rich mounds. Let's take a look. Finished product. Refeeding the soil, the environment. And then also, I decided to take out all of the little stakes I had with copper coiling. I figured, I wasn't getting the best results with that method, so I did decide to just do it with 3 stakes and add a bunch of copper. Here we go. This should definitely yield the results that we're looking for. It's all about experimentation. And then here, just added the cardboard, laid it out, put some wood on top so it doesn't blow away. This is all recycled, of course, but this is going to help kill off the grass, because we are going to expand the garden up until about here. And we're going to repeat the same process, get some more stakes like this, add a bunch of copper, and put it right in between. All right, stay tuned, guys.